Hey everybody, on my 1960 F100 I had this carpet kit. The kit itself I'm fairly happy with, but I was never happy with the way it just finished right here along the footwell. They hemmed it, of course, but there's really no trim pieces that exist, at least not for a ridiculous amount of money, to cover this area. So I wanted to fabricate one. And you'll see the nails there. And this is what I came up with, and it's gonna sandwich in here, keep everything down like that, and match my console while I'm at it. And that's just placed in there. I'm gonna secure it right now, but let me show you how I made it. So after the cardboard template, I cut this and I've done some hammering, and this is the basic shape it's gonna be. Fold this end over here over. I'm gonna TIG it. I'm going to bend this edge down, put a couple of little pie cuts in there, and bend this edge down so it's a vertical edge, and I'm gonna TIG weld a flat piece of metal around this radius. I'll sandwich everything down. I'm gonna screw it in here. All right, so I've got some flat pieces of metal that I bent to the correct radius. As you saw from the previous section of the video, I bent these little lips down 90 degrees. Started filling in some TIG right there. Same with this side right here. I'm gonna just do the finish filling in all the TIG welding, and then grind it, and then I'm gonna go bug my boy Motorhead Mark. All right, guys, I'm over here at my boy Motorhead Mark's, putting these through the English wheel, getting some of this, some of those hammer marks taken out. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I know it doesn't look much now, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was before. And if you haven't already, go and go hit him up over here and kick him in the sub for me. Okay, it's all TIG welded, sanded, and just gonna do some primer and paint. I drilled all the holes and just stuck nails in from the bottom just so that we can, just so I can make sure everything's lined up and punch the holes through the carpet. I'm gonna end up using number 8 screws with nuts on the bottom. There's enough room underneath the footwell to work on this. I'm just gonna get some edge trim to clean up the edges, and it'll match my console and the finished product.